Hey!
Pax Christi, Nigerian Catholics. Honestly speaking, when I saw the picture of this beautiful moment between the Holy Father, Pope Leo XIV, and this little girl, I had to say something. And when I saw the video, I was even more touched. It was a touching moment with this little girl in Bamenda who ran out and embraced His Holiness Pope Leo XIV as he was about to leave the city following his apostolic visit. And honestly speaking, I couldn't just begin to imagine the joy of this young girl's parents, how beautiful this moment was. And it just reminded me of the words of Jesus: "Let the little children come to me. Do not stop them, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven." And this moment beautifully and wonderfully captures the words of Jesus here. It is a simple gesture, many people might say, but it pulls at the heartstrings of a lot of us, to be very honest. Not just about the beautiful vulnerability of this young girl, trusting in Holy Father, running to Him, seeing Him as the Father that He is, but the vulnerability of His Holiness as well, who stretched out His hands to give this girl a tender hug, came down to her level, showed her that he loved her, and paused for a photograph. Honestly speaking, I do not know about you, but there's nothing as touching as this. It's an image, it's a mirror of the unconditional love of God for us. A love that transcends creed, a love that transcends class, a love that transcends status, a love that transcends anything and everything that we can ever think of. This is what, for me, this beautiful moment between the Holy Father and this little girl symbolizes and puts before us. And it gives us something to think about. If we can embrace the love of God, if we can let the love of God show forth from us to others in this way, in this manner, not thinking about who the person is, not thinking about where the person comes from, this is for me what we can take away from the visit of His Holiness to Cameroon, that the love of God knows no boundaries. And if we can embrace this lesson, I honestly think and I honestly believe that our world will be a better place. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sharing this moment with us. And I'll talk to you soon. God bless you.